Money, the universal currency that is used to exchange goods and services around the world, comes in many shapes and sizes. However, the most unusual money in the world is undoubtedly the rice stones of Yap Island in the Pacific Ocean. Yap Island is a small, remote island located in the western Pacific Ocean, known for its beautiful beaches and lush greenery. The island is also known for its unusual currency, the rice stones. The rice stones are large, circular stone discs with a hole in the middle that are used as a form of currency on the island. The stones vary in size, with some weighing as much as 4 metric tons. They are made of a type of limestone found only on another island called Palau, which is more than 400 kilometers away. The stones were transported to Yap Island by canoes and rafts, a dangerous and difficult journey that required great skill and courage. The value of the rice stones is determined by their size, quality, and history. The stones are not exchanged physically, but rather are kept in place, with ownership changing hands verbally. The stones are considered a symbol of wealth and status on the island, with larger stones representing greater value and prestige. One story about the rice stones tells of a wealthy Yapese man who purchased a stone from another island but lost it during the voyage back to Yap. Despite the stone being lost at sea, the man was still considered the owner of the stone, and its value was still recognized by the community. The use of rice stones as currency has continued for centuries, even after the island came under the control of various colonial powers. Today, the stones are still used on the island, alongside other forms of currency such as the dollar. The rice stones of Yap Island are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of people in remote parts of the world. The stones are a symbol of a unique culture and history that has persevered through centuries of change and development. Despite their unusual nature, the rice stones are a valuable and treasured part of the Yapese community, and they would likely continue to be used as a form of currency for generations to come. The use of the rice stones on Yap Island is not without its challenges. However, one of the biggest challenges faced by the community is how to store and protect the stones. Due to their size and weight, the stones cannot be moved easily and are vulnerable to damage from the elements. To address this issue, the Yapese community has developed a unique system of ownership and transfer. When a stone changes hands, the community gathers to witness the exchange, and the history of the stone is recounted. The new owner then receives verbal recognition of their ownership, and the stone remains in its current location. This system of ownership and transfer has helped to ensure that the rice stones remain a stable and reliable form of currency on the island. Despite the challenges of storing and protecting the stones, the Yapese community has found a way to maintain their use as a form of currency, even in the modern era. In recent years, the use of rice stones has also become a source of tourism for Yap Island. Visitors come from around the world to see the stones and learn about their unique history and culture. The stones have become a symbol of the island's identity and a source of pride for the Yapese people. In conclusion, the rice stones of Yap Island are one of the most unusual forms of currency in the world. Their large size, unique history, and symbolic value have made them a treasured part of the Yapese community for centuries. Despite the challenges of storing and protecting them, the stones remain a stable and reliable form of currency on the island, and their use has become a source of tourism and pride for the community. The rice stones are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of people in remote parts of the world, and they serve as a reminder of the diversity and richness of human cultures. The story of the rice stones of Yap Island is also a reminder of the importance of cultural preservation. The Yapese people have managed to maintain their unique form of currency despite centuries of colonialism and globalization. They have found a way to balance tradition with modernity and to preserve their cultural heritage for future generations. In a world where cultural homogenization is becoming increasingly common, the Yapese community offers a model for cultural preservation and diversity. The use of the rice stones as currency is not just a symbol of Yapese identity, it is also a testament to the importance of cultural diversity in shaping the world we live in. In conclusion, the story of the rice stones of Yap Island is a fascinating example of the diversity and richness of human cultures. The stones are a unique form of currency that have persisted for centuries. Despite the challenges faced by the Yapese community, they serve as a symbol of the community's identity, resilience, and resourcefulness, and as a reminder of the importance of cultural preservation and diversity. The world could benefit from more examples like the Yapese people, who have found a way to balance tradition with modernity and to preserve their cultural heritage for future generations. Ultimately, the story of the rice stones of Yap Island is a reminder that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to currency, and that different cultures have developed unique ways of exchanging goods and services. While the rice stones may seem unusual to outsiders, They make perfect sense to the Yapese community, who have developed a sophisticated system of ownership and transfer to ensure their stability and reliability as a form of currency. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, it is important to remember that cultural diversity is a strength, not a weakness. The Yapese community's use of the rice stones as currency is just one example of how different cultures can coexist and learn from each other, creating a richer and more vibrant world for everyone. In conclusion, the rice stones of Yap Island are the most unusual money in the world, but they are also a testament to the ingenuity, resilience, and cultural diversity of the Yapese people. Their use as currency may seem unusual to outsiders, but it is a perfect reflection of the Yapese community's unique history and culture. The stones are a reminder that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to currency, and that different cultures have developed their own ways of exchanging goods and services. The world could benefit from more examples like the Yapese people, who have found a way to preserve their cultural heritage while adapting to the modern world.